Hello everyone, how are you all? So our today's topic is a chapter from the English literature book of Standard 5th, and the name of the chapter is Flying Together. This chapter would give you a very special lesson that you must listen to the advices of your elders. At the same time, it would give you new words also which would flash on the screen. So let's start the story. Once, a flock of geese lived in a jungle on a leafy tree. Geese means plural of goose, that is a large web-footed bird, and flock means a group of same type of birds. So the flock of geese lived on a leafy tree, and one day the wisest bird, who was very old, told to the other geese that look at that small creeper which has grown at the foot of the tree. We must destroy it. Creeper means a plant that needs support to grow. But other birds, they didn't pay much attention to it. And they said, why we must destroy it? Destroy means to damage. Then old bird tried to make them understand that right now this creeper is small and tender. Tender means soft. So we can destroy it easily. But later on, with the time, it would grow and it would become thick like a rope. And with its help, any hunter would climb on the tree and might harm us. But the other geese didn't do that on time. Then, as the time passed, that creeper, it grew big and strong and it became like a rope. In fact, it grew around the tree in circular motion. That means it began winding its way up the tree like a stair. And then that happened which the old bird had told to the others. One day, one hunter came and set a trap on the tree when the birds were not there. So, in the evening, when the birds came, without realizing that there was a trap there, they got stuck in the trap. Trap means to catch in a trap or net. Now they all started, their efforts to come out of the net, but they couldn't do so. Then they started crying, help, help. But who would go there for their help? Then the old bird said, now don't make a fuss. To make a fuss means don't become angry. Now, to come out of this problem, we have to follow one thing, that when the hunter would come in the morning, we would pretend to be dead. Pretend means to make believe or to act. And then hunter would throw all the birds one by one out of the net, believing that all would be dead. Then until the last bird would not be out, we all would be doing the acting, and as the last bird would be out, we all will fly. And in the morning, as the hunter came, all the birds, they pretended to be dead. And when hunter came, he muttered to himself that, oh, all are dead. Mutter means to say something in very slow tone. So he climbed up the tree and threw all the birds out of the net one by one. As the last bird was out of the net, all the birds they flapped their wings and flew away, and the hunter kept watching them in great surprise. So this was the story. I'm sure that you like the story. Thank you very much and keep studying.